Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to another vlog. Happy Sunday.
Yes.
It's early and we are out here. Well, early for us anyway because it's Sunday and it's only like 9:25. And we have I wouldn't say a ton of stuff to do. The bare minimum. But the main point is you're going to hang out with us and you're going to get to see what it is that we have planned throughout the day. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't really have too many things planned. It's going to be more like a freestyle type of day where just blowing in the wind, basically, just getting stuff done. But it's going to be nothing really planned. Anyway, I'm going to take you upstairs with me to my first stop. And I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la. I have an IV, and as you can see, but it's not for what you think. I'm not sick or anything. It's just more so for energy, because your girl has to, I have to put those vitamins in his body in order to stay healthy and sexy, basically. But nevertheless, it doesn't hurt. It's flowing, and that's about it. I'll talk to you more when I get downstairs in the car. So, just left IV Elements. When I tell you I feel superb, I feel superb. I stopped off to get some lunch at this local bagel shop, and when I tell you they have every customary bagel in there, every type of panini possible, every type of wrap you could possibly think about, they have it all. I decided to get this one called the Willow Wrap. The wrap is spinach, it has turkey, tomatoes, cheese, honey mustard, bacon, and all that good stuff. It is so delicious, so good. It was kind of hard to talk when I was in IV Elements because there's other people there. Thank God, fortunately, I go there just because I want to boost the vitamins and energy, especially during the winter months, to obviously not catch a cold, not get sick. But there's other people there for different reasons, of course, and you don't want to violate anybody's privacy. And so I didn't want to record so much, but when the person sitting across from me went to the bathroom, I was able to pull out my camera for like a quick second just to kind of show you guys what was going on. But let me tell you, I've been doing it. This is like my third service. I've been doing it for like a month so far, and I can't complain. There's so many different treatments. You have hair, skin, and nails. You have they even have treatments for people with hangovers. Yes. And while I was there, I saw somebody who came in for the hangover treatment. I thought it was like so funny, but they offer it, people take advantage of it. But like I said, it's so many different things that they offer. If anything, I'll probably definitely leave the name of the place that I went to, and you guys could look it up for yourselves. But nevertheless, like I said, it's like my third treatment so far. And you know what I found out while I was sitting here receiving my treatment? The nurse that was administering my treatment. What you said? Whatever. Don't mind him. Anyway, the nurse that was administering my treatment, she got a call to go on a mobile assignment. And that's the cool thing about their services. You don't always have to go to their location. They come to your house as well. And the crazy thing about it was for a celebrity. Yep. And it just goes to show you, everybody takes advantage of everything. Whether you be a celebrity, so-called regular, it doesn't matter. Everybody wants to feel great at the end of the day, right? I think we could all agree on that part.
This is good, because some days you really don't even feel like coming out the house any old way.
That's so true. And sometimes, think about it this way, right? If you're a celebrity as well, and people know who you are, for privacy reasons, of course, you would definitely opt to have them come to you, versus you coming out and
having to meet up with everybody.
On your way there, or better yet, sitting there, and somebody comes in and they recognize you, and they start to spread a rumor probably. You never know. People just be doing the most.
Of course.
Okay?
It's healthy.
Not because the other person next to you may be getting the treatment because unfortunately, God forbid, they're ill.
Right.
You might be just getting a regular vitamin boost treatment, and somebody
assuming something
different and go spread your business all over the place. And not to mention, it's not correct in the first place. So I could see why they would prefer the mobile service. And there's a lot of non-celebrities that take advantage of the mobile service as well. Like you said, it's just all about convenience. Anyway, I'm gonna turn the camera back on at some point today, February 26, 2022. Oh shit, it's 2023. Still saying 2022.
I don't know what they put in your IV.
They put confusion in the IV. Because girl, you sure is confused. Nah, but anyway, guys, of course, if I do anything throughout the day, I'm gonna turn the camera back on. But for now, I am gonna go head to the store, pick up some laundry detergent, and that's about it. Just got back home. Excuse this right here. I was playing with the dogs. Anyway, just got back in the house. Like I said, I'm going to attempt to clean this room on up. I didn't make my bed up this morning because your girl had to go. I had that early morning IV appointment. Yep. Put you guys on a tripod.
I've been watching you for a while. Your smiling style. Wanna know if I can be with you for the night. Is that alright, baby? There is only one for me. You have made that a possibility. We can take a step to see.
¿Cómo seguiré sin ti? No sé concebirlo.
We just finished watching Puss in Boots: The Last Wish. Pretty cool movie, even though I dozed off for about 10 minutes. Nevertheless, it was a great movie. We are at Chili's. Look at my eyes. I was like, my eyes is red. It's crazy.
Oh, she took a great nap while she was in there for
I look like I just woke up. That's crazy, right? But yeah, I'm at our soon-to-be, maybe, favorite spot. When it comes to the drinks, of course. The movie theater's in the same wall as Chili's, so why not take advantage, right? Yeah, so we're here for 3 days straight in a row. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This vlog should be very interesting. My camera had died, but we ended the night after Chili's. Once we were finished eating, we were like all tired, and we ended up going home. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. We definitely had a lot of fun this vlog. Leave your comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And I will catch you guys in another vlog.